golden glow, where the gears sang soft and true. We bent the brass and whispered spells till the dragonfly flew. Your little hands on the soldering iron, my heart in every turn. We built a world of clockwork wings while the hearth fire burned. Now the hearth is cold and scattered, the roof lies on the floor. You came back to find me, but I was here no more. I can't be with you now, my wretched, though the ache won't let me go. The shadows took our little home, but they can't take what I know. So I'll send my love on copper wings through the thunder and the night. Fly on to Miraine, little one, build your fire in the light. I'll be the spark inside the oil, the glow inside the glass. Every tear you cry in the rain, I'll turn to silver grass. As you dove into the ruins, the map went soft with tears. You knelt among the blackened beams with your heart full of fears. That broken frame you clutched so tight still holds the shape of us, a doorway to the life we lost and is now ash and dust. The dark man that came was someone you never knew, but I felt his cold breath on my neck when it tore our world in two. I can't be with you now, my wretched, though my arms still reach for you. The road is long and the pack is heavy, but my hopes will carry you. So I'll send my love on copper wings through the thunder and the night. Fly on to Miraine, little one, build your fire in the light. I'll be the spark inside the oil, the glow inside the glass. Every tear you cry in the rain, I'll turn to silver grass. They say the Valley of Miraine holds tents and dreams and song, a river that forgets the storm, a place where you belong. Your hands are small but clever still, the gears remember my name. Make something beautiful from the pieces that you built from Rachet. I can't be with you now, my wretched, but I never truly left. I'm the light in your eyes when the lightning splits the sky, the quiet click inside your heart when you lift your head and try. So fly on to Miraine, my darling, build your fire in the light. And when the new home stands, look up, you'll see two copper wings tonight. Wings for the rain, wings for the rain. Mama's love on copper wings, all the way to Miraine.
And now, a word from our sponsors.
Welcome to the future site of the Maid Mall, and be sure to visit Bits, Bobs, and Butlers. Hey, Celine, when the Maid Mall gonna be done?
I'm working on it!
Welcome to the Bare Necessities. ain't a lot of complexities.
Just forget about your worries and your wants.
Hey, Crow.
Yeah, Rachet.
I've learned so many slurs since I got here.
Me too, Rachet. Me too.